Agrivi is a farm management software company that helps farmers to increase their productivity and profitability by bringing them knowledge through technology, through software solutions. We have 30 employees in the company. We have offices in Kutina, Zagreb, Warsaw in Poland, and London, UK. EU funding helps us as a company to increase our financial capacity to invest in R&D activities while not giving away of our equity. This region, including Croatia, is very challenging when it comes to seed round funding. We had luck that we were able to secure seed round and Series A round funds from both private investors, business angels, and from venture capital funds.